What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to talk about the giveaway. I have decided to give away a part for the 2019 to 2021 Ford Ranger, and we're going to get right into it. I'll show you what we're going to give away. Alrighty, so I've decided to do a giveaway for you guys with the Ford Rangers, like I said, and I want to just thank you guys for watching the videos. I just wanted to say, hey, here's something that you guys can enter for that I can give away, and it's something that I actually use on my own truck. So I am giving away a set left and right side LED side marker lamps, 2019 to 2020-21 Ford Ranger. So this is what I'm giving away, left and right hand side. And I think they look pretty good. So, and it seems to be one of my popular videos for the Ranger. I'll link that up in the corner here. And just to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys, and I want you to, you know, have something from this channel that came from the TheWiscoGuyz. So I have the package here. It's ready to go. If you guys are looking for these, you can definitely enter in to get yourself a pair. So how the giveaway works, and it's going to work as the lower 48, so only the US continental United States, US continental lower 48 can enter. You have to be 18 years or older to enter, and you know, probably, you know, I mean, you don't have to have a Ranger to enter, but that's what this part works for. So the giveaway actually starts today, right now, as this video came out, and it is going till, it's going till February 28th at 9 a.m. is when the giveaway is going. And then shortly after, you will receive a email from me saying that you won. And I'm going to explain to how you enter the giveaway. The link is in the description below. It's going to be under the KingSumo.com giveaway there for the TheWiscoGuyz for the LED lights. So when you go into there, you just put your email in, and then you are entered in to the giveaway for one entry at that point. And then there are also some multiple entries you can enter into once you do a couple things too. So just to let you guys know, like I said, it's going till February 28th at 9 p.m. and then the winner will be picked shortly after that, and you will receive that email. Once you receive that email, I will be asking for your information so I can send the part out to you. So just want to tell you guys good luck. Definitely hit that subscribe button below and have some fun. And definitely comment on the video if you entered too. So you might be asking yourself, what's the TheWiscoGuyz all about? And it's all about automotive, and pretty much what we work on for our own personal vehicles. So I'm going to start off with, I have this 2019 Ford Ranger. It's been a very good vehicle. I recently did a video, and I'll link in the corner here as well, of my 1-year review and thoughts about the Ford Ranger. So that's definitely on the channel. I've done quite a few videos on it, and they've actually been pretty popular. So definitely check out those videos, and I'll link another thing up here of the playlist of that. On the other side of the shop here, if you guys have been following, you Ranger guys or anybody else, we are currently in the process of doing a mini resto to my 1988 Pontiac Firebird. I'll definitely link in the corner here of the video, the last video on this. So this is a 1988 Pontiac Firebird V8 305 V8 tune port injection, 5-speed manual. Pretty much best of everything you could get with a manual transmission in this year for performance. So being that's a 305 with a T5, it's got the Borg-Warner 9-bolt rear end, and of course the tune port injection, like I already said. This car hurt some feelings back in its day, and it still does to this day too. So It's a quick car for what it is. It's not fast. It's just it still keeps up with the modern cars. We'll just put it that way. And it runs great. Sounds great. And just check out the videos. You'll see. So we have that. That is the other car. Then we have a newest edition, the 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. I'll put in a little video as I'm talking here. I acquired this car through a friend, and I still haven't done a video on how I acquired it, but it's definitely a good video that it's definitely a good story once I get it into a video form. Once it gets a little bit nicer out. It's winter time and I don't really want to mess with it. I kind of want to make it look nice and everything before I do the video. I mean, it looks immaculate. I did do a video on that, on how to program a key fob to it, so I'll link that in the corner here. But yeah, just those are the 3 vehicles I'm working with, and you've probably seen maybe Aaron's 96 F-150 red cab short box with a 5-liter V8, the old 302. I'll link that video as well. That's a pretty popular video. We did an exhaust video on that. We got to do more videos on that one too. But he was so concentrated on making that thing just as good as he could within the year he had it, so we didn't really do much with that, and he kind of just hammered on it and made it look really immaculate, as you would see if you check out that video. So that's about it for cars right now. I love cars, and that's what the channel is about, and my goal with the channel is to pretty much do as much things with vehicles as I can, events, all that, car shows. You know, I wouldn't mind doing some autocross and stuff like that eventually. But so with that being said, with all the vehicles that we have and what the channel's about, and where we want to go, we just want to make it better, grow, and you know, just make something of it, because it's actually fun to do. I like doing the videos. I like actually sitting down and editing. I kind of chuckle at myself sometimes when I'm editing, but yeah, on that note, thanks for watching, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button below if you already haven't through everything else, and definitely enter the giveaway, put your email in, and it ends February 28th at 9 a.m. that morning. So it's live. The giveaway is live. So all right, guys, good luck, and thanks for watching. Have a good night or day or whatever you're having. See ya. Bye.